all the tracks, all the hardware. We just so the hardware that they gave us, we ordered a bypass because we have actually 4 doors that are going to go in this top unit. So they're going to slide. Two doors are going to stay in one side, and then 2 doors are going to stay on the other side. But I wanted a bypass that had 2 tracks, one in front of the other, so they can freely run every way. But the way they made it, it was 1 track with an L bracket. So we, instead of waiting for the you know what I mean, to order it, to send it back, we're just going to custom make some doors. That's a good part about, you know what I mean, working with us. If anything happens in the moment, you know what I mean, try not to delay your job. We tend to, you know what I mean, go back to the shop and pretty much get what we need to get done there. So we're a full service shop, you know what I mean, from the beginning to the end. So that's fairly refreshing for a lot of our customers.
Fully custom.
Fully custom. Fully custom. Watch out. We break old stuff to make it look better. We are located in 6001 Johns Road, unit 701. We've been here, I believe, in this area here, for about 3.5 years, 4 years. Yeah, and then we started with a 1 bay, which is 300 square feet. Then we moved to a 600 square feet. Now we have a 600 square feet just for painting alone. And then we have a 1,300 square foot workshop, which we do all the building there. And then everything comes over here to get painted and get shipped out. So yeah, come check us out. So now we're gonna put the other unit here, and then just get straight to work. At least we got a lot of what I wanted to get done. We can organize a little bit later, but we still got to get these done and have time for them to dry. So let's do that. Yes, sir. Let's get it.